Today I'm going to be doing the G-Dragon, the K-pop star, the mullet haircut. So watch along during the video and then I'll break it down at the end.
Crazy Monday, I know it shows.
All right, everyone, let's break down the G-Dragon haircut. So as you saw when I first started, I took a clipper and I used no guard, so it was a 000, just a blade, and I went up to about right here, right to where the recession is, or the corner of the hairline. Did that on both sides. I didn't blend this in or go into the back at all. It literally is a hard stop right behind the ear. Did the same thing on the other side. It is a slight undercut. I just want to, again, let you guys know that. I did raise this up so this hair is hanging over. The hair in the back here was already this long, and I know he's got like a shorter version of this, so basically it's the same haircut. This is just about right here and just shorter, right? So this is the longer one, because I know he was known for this for a while, of having, this is really a true mullet to me. It's something that's really a lot longer. Now the key is, I did blend in this part into here in the internal shape. And how I did that is, I actually held the hair and over directed it so that there are shorter pieces in through here, but even though they're shorter, it all works down into the length, right? So it's a very layered kind of haircut. It works down, so it does have some sort of connection, even though it's such a harsh separation between the two lengths. The top, I'd say, is about 3.5 to 4 inches long throughout the very, very top. The front here, comes to about the eyebrow, I'd say, right? And the most important part of this whole thing is I went in with my thinning shears afterwards, because on Asian hair, it's very, very thick, and you want to make sure, especially for this type of look, that it's a bit more piecey and it's not so heavy throughout the sides here and even in the back. So I did remove a lot of weight throughout the top, the sides, and the back, and I did that. And if your hair is really thick and you're at your stylist or at your barber, just tell them, say like, hey, my hair is super thick, and feel it yourself. Show them, say, it's really thick when I feel it up here. And that is where you want to remove the weight. And I usually just take the thinning shears and I chop it right from the middle of the hair outwards. I don't go down to the scalp. I just feel for where it's heavy, because when you think about it, right, that you want to lose the weight where it's overweight. So get rid of it. Get rid of it with the thinning shears. And then you can basically just style it with your hands. I mean, the haircut speaks for itself. You can use a smoothing serum if you want. Blow dry it straight because it's pretty straight. But because I thinned it out and added texture to it, that's what's giving it that movement. What do you guys think of my shirt? I know it's a crazy, wild, fun shirt. It actually really goes well with this yellow backdrop. Are you liking the yellow backdrop? Let me know, because I've changed it up, obviously. And if you're new to my channel, you can go back and see I've used white in the past for many, many years. I used black, but the yellow seems pretty cool for the time being. Let me know if you like the haircut, if you are planning on getting something like this, or you have something like this. Are you rocking the mullet? I'd love to know. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.